So hi guys and welcome back. So in this video on the topic biological classification, ठीक है? In this video on the topic biological classification, we are going to learn about the kingdom fungi. ठीक है? So हमने अभी तक biological classification में क्या क्या देखा है? We've learned about Monera, we've learned about the kingdom Protista, right? And in the previous video, we've learned a few things about fungi. What all have we learned? We've learned about the morphological aspects, we've learned about reproduction, both sexual and asexual reproduction. Then we've also learned that fungi have 4 classes depending upon their morphology and mode of reproduction and fruiting bodies, especially for sexual spores. Okay? So today we'll be learning about the 4 classes of fungi. What are the 4 classes? So what are the 4 classes? We have first and foremost Phycomycetes. Then we have Ascomycetes. Then we have Basidiomycetes. And finally Deuteromycetes or fungi imperfecta. Okay? So BAPD, right? Okay, so let's go forward to the first class. So going to page number 1 of our notes, let's start learning about Phycomycetes, which is the first class of fungi. So we need to know that this is the lowermost class of fungi. ठीक है, it's the simplest kind of fungi. So mycelium कैसा होगा? Mycelium in this simple class is going to be xenocytic, यानी कि there is no differentiation between cells. It's all multinucleate structure. ठीक है, it's like one single structure with lot of nuclei present. ठीक है, this is called as xenocytic structure. Now there are a lot of nuclei and there is no separate cells as such, so it's definitely going to be aseptate. ठीक है, so this simple fungi is xenocytic and aseptate. ठीक है, now how does asexual reproduction take place? It can take place via motile spores or immotile spores. The motile spores are called as zoospores and the immotile spores are called as aplanospores. It could also reproduce via exogenous spores like Conidia. ठीक है, we've learned about Conidia, right? They are outside any fruiting body. They do not have any particular fruiting body. They grow on the hyphae. Right, so exogenous Conidia. ठीक है, let's go forward. We'll talk about sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction in Phycomycetes happens by planogametic copulation. So what is planogametic copulation? Basically plano यानी motile gametes के fusion यानी copulation से zygote बनेगा. Zygote will again give rise to spores or sexual spores and they will germinate to give rise to new mycelium or a new individual fungi. ठीक है, चलो. So let's see Phycomycetes के subclasses. We have 2 important subclasses in Phycomycetes. First is Oomycetes and the second is Zygomycetes. ठीक है, so Oomycetes की example क्या है? Oomycetes का main example is Albuco candida या फिर Candidiasis cause करने वाली species. कौन है हमारा? Albuco candida. So it is going to cause disease like Candidiasis, then it's going to cause white thrust or white rush disease in plants, and in humans it causes something called as oral thrush. ठीक है, so there is a variety of diseases, also Candidiasis caused by Candida species. Okay, so example of Oomycetes is Albuco candida. Okay, coming to Zygomycetes, we have Rhizopus and Mucor. Rhizopus and Mucor both belong to Zygomycetes. Now how do we differentiate? See, you must have seen bread now, if it's kept for a long period of time, small blackish growth grows there. So that could either be Rhizopus or Mucor. And if in the exam you are given a picture to identify, if you see such a kind of diagram given with small circular sporing bodies with lot of interconnected hyphae, then that is Mucus or Rhizopus. ठीक है? Similarly, we have another example called Pylobolus. ठीक है, so I remember it like this, pylo यानी it grows on a pile of dung, so it is a dung loving fungi. ठीक है, Pylobolus. ठीक है, okay, let's go forward to the second class. कौन सा बोला था मैंने आपको? PABD, right? So second is A, that is our Ascomycetes. अभी Ascomycetes is called as the sac fungi. Why? Because the fruiting body of this fungi looks like a sac and it's called the ascocarp. ठीक है, it's called the ascocarp and this fruiting body looks like a sac, therefore these are called as the sac fungi. ठीक है, so अभी mycelium देखते हैं. mycelium कैसा है? mycelium is uninucleate and septate and branched. ठीक है, so if this is my mycelium, branched mycelium, I know that it is going to be septate and it is uninucleate, यानी कि हर इसमें एक सिंगल न्यूक्लियाई प्रेजेंट होगा. ठीक है, सो इट्स अ कंपेरेटिवली हायर और कंपेरेटिवली मोर डेवलप्ड काइंड ऑफ फंगाई, यूनिन्यूक्लिएट, ब्रांच्ड एंड सेपरेट फंगाई. ठीक है, सो एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे होगा? बाय कोनिडिया, ओनली एंड ओनली कोनिडिया. व्हाट इज कोनिडिया? एक्सोजेनस स्पोर्स. ठीक है, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, ascocarp is formed during sexual reproduction. Ascospores are basically the sexual spores of this species. ठीक है, सो कैसे होगा? ये हमारे दो सेक्शुअली डिफरेंशिएटेड गैमेटेंजा या फिर हाइफे पास में आए, दे आर गोइंग टू अप्रोच ईच अदर एंड फाइनली व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू फ्यूज, फर्स्ट व्हाट विल फ्यूज? द साइटोप्लाज्म, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज प्लाज्मोगैम. ठीक है, अभी साइटोप्लाज्म एक बार फ्यूज हो गया, then we see an elongation occurring upwards, right? But this is the stage where the two nuclei are going to come close together. Inside this upward raised portion, the two nuclei will enter that portion and they will come close together and fuse. This is karyogam, right? So अभी दो nuclei n अगर fuse हो गए तो what are we going to get? We'll get 2n or diploid nucleus. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली ये डिप्लॉयड न्यूक्लियस जब बनेगा, आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू नोट दैट दिस डाइकैरियन स्टेज, ये जो हमारा n+n जो स्टेज है, वी कॉल इट डाइकैरियन, राइट? व्हेन बिफोर कैरियोगैमी जो स्टेज होता है, दिस स्टेज डाइकैरियन डज नॉट परसिस्ट इन एस्कोमाइसिटीज. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट, दिस डज नॉट परसिस्ट इन एस्कोमाइसिटीज. अब ये हमारा डिप्लॉयड न्यूक्लियस का क्या होगा? Diploid nucleus will undergo meiosis. Why? Because the adult fungi has only haploid number of chromosomes in an adult somatic cell, right? So it's going to undergo meiosis, and the surrounding hyphae, this portion is going to surround it completely, and inside there will be development of ascocarps. Okay, these are all ascocarps. So ascocarp or fruiting body is going to develop, and inside it even more amount of cells will develop. Which cells? Basically haploid cells, which are nothing but are ascospores. ठीक है, n number of chromosomes वाले ascospores, and these spores when they'll undergo germination will give rise to individual fungi. ठीक है, okay. So with this in mind, let's go forward to the examples. So एग्जाम्पल्स क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बायोलॉजिकली सुपर डुपर इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल इज पेनिसिलियम. ठीक है, सो पेनिसिलियम फंगाई गिव्स राइज टू पेनिसिलिन एंटीबायोटिक. ठीक है, एंड वी नो, वी ऑल हर्ड अबाउट पेनिसिलिन समवेयर और द अदर, राइट? सो दिस इज अ वंडर ड्रग. इट्स अ जनरल एंटीबायोटिक विच कैन fight or give resistance against a lot of microbes. So it's a broad spectrum antibiotic which was accidentally discovered by Alexander Fleming. In which fungi? In Penicillium notatum. Similarly, there is another species called Penicillium chrysogenum. ठीक है, Penicillium chrysogenum. Now I want you to remember this name also, Penicillium chrysogenum. Both of the options are correct if it's asked which of the fungi give rise to penicillin. ठीक है, let's go forward to Aspergillus. Now what is special about Aspergillus? We have two important species. First is Aspergillus fumigatus, which causes aspergillosis. ठीक है, fumigatus causes aspergillosis. Next we have Aspergillus flavus. Now focus on the term flavus. This species will give rise to something called as aflatoxins. Now what are these? These are some kind of toxins, right? So they are going to be carcinogenic and they also cause food poisoning. ठीक है, so what are we going to remember about Aspergillus flavus? They secrete aflatoxins which cause cancer, they are carcinogenic and they cause food poisoning also. ठीक है, okay, let's go forward to the next one, that is Claviceps purpurae. ठीक है, so Claviceps purpurae के बारे में क्या याद रखना है? They cause one important disease, that is the ergot disease of Bajra. Now this is also medically relevant because this ergot infected bajra, if consumed by pregnant ladies, causes spontaneous abortion. ठीक है, it causes spontaneous abortion in pregnant ladies. And in earlier days, this ergot derivatives were used to cause abortions. ठीक है, let's go forward to Morshella. ठीक है, so Morshella यानी क्या? Morshella से याद रखो मॉरल या बफल या फिर ट्रफल. ठीक है, so we know about chocolate truffle. There's a dish called chocolate truffle, right? So I remember it this way, that Morshella sounds like morel, buffel and truffle, which is an edible fungi. ठीक है, so Morshella is an edible fungi. ठीक है, next is Neurospora. ठीक है, so Neurospora की क्या स्पेशलिटी है? It's either a red or a pink mold. ठीक है, Neurospora is a red or pink mold and it's also called the Drosophila of the plant kingdom. ठीक है, why? Because a lot of experiments have been done on Neurospora and a lot of experiments have been done on Drosophila as well. That is why they are both called as, Neurospora is called as Drosophila of the plant kingdom. ठीक है, let's go forward to yeast. Now we all know about yeast, right? Where do we use yeast? In baking, right? This is the commonly heard utility of yeast. So this is right. So in yeast, the species Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also called as baker's yeast. कौन सी? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And it is also used in the alcohol industry for fermentation. तो दोनों जगह बेकरी और अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री दोनों जगह yeast का यूज़ है. And we need to know that yeast में mycelium is absent. ठीक है, that is we know that yeast is unicellular, right? So there is no mycelium as such. There is only small oval cells growing in chains or clusters. That is yeast. Okay, so we need to understand the uses also. So remember, yeast is used for baking and the alcohol industry. Okay, let's go forward. Finally to Basidiomycetes. ठीक है, so the third class is Basidiomycetes, which is also called as club fungi. Any guesses why? Yes, because the fruiting body looks like a club. What is a club? This shaped is a club. ठीक है, so the fruiting body looks like a club, therefore the species is also called club fungi. Let's look at the mycelium. ठीक है, so mycelium कैसा होगा? ये comparatively advanced species है ना, so it will be branched, it will be septate and it will be uni or binucleate. ठीक है, so let me draw. ठीक है, so it's going to be branch, it's going to be septate and it can be either uni or binucleate. ठीक है, so what do I understand by this binucleate condition? It is nothing but a dikaryon stage, right? बोलते हैं ना हम लोग कि व्हाट डू यू से, कैरियोगैमी से पहले वाली स्टेज डाइकैरियन स्टेज. ठीक है, ओके, लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. सो वन नीड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन दिस सिचुएशन डाइकैरियन स्टेज इज प्रेजेंट इन द अडल्ट ऑल्सो. इट्स प्रेजेंट इन द अडल्ट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सो लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. सो द मेन माइसेलियम इज डाइकैरियोटिक एंड सेप्टेट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट्स डाइकैरियोटिक एंड सेप्टेट? यानी कि जो हमारी डाइकैरियन कंडीशन है वो मेंटेन की जा रही है. रिमेंबर दिस. ठीक है, दिस हैपेंस इन Basidiomycetes. लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. सो asexual spores are generally not found and sexual reproduction is the only source of reproduction. ठीक है, so let's see what modes they use. They're going to undergo somatogamy. What is somatogamy? Somato यानी कि body part, our normal body part, and gamy यानी कि fusion, right? So somatogamy में हमारे normal दो hyphae का direct fusion से we'll have a dikaryon stage, 2n condition, and then we'll form spores. ठीक है, so these are our two hyphae, they come close together and there is fusion. First what will fuse? The cytoplasm. So we have plasmogamy first, then this dikaryon stage which is called as dikaryoticization, and then finally in this dikaryon stage, I told you it is maintained. This dikaryon stage will only lead to formation of basidium. What is basidium? Basidium is nothing but the sporing body in Basidiomycetes, which looks like a club. So these are called as club fungi. ठीक है, so अब ये dikaryon stage का आगे क्या होगा? I told you it will ascend into the sporic body, this dikaryon, and then they will undergo karyogamy finally. So here the dikaryote stage is very prolonged and maintained even in the normal hyphae. Okay. So karyogamy के बाद क्या होगा हमारे पास? Diploid nucleus, that is 2n, which will undergo meiosis like usual, and finally it leads to spores, basidiospores, which are n, which will again germinate to give rise to hyphae or individual fungi. ठीक है? The second mode they use is spermatization. Now what does this mean? This is seen in Puccinia and it causes rust disease in wheat. Spermatization का क्या मतलब है? Basically it's a type of sexual reproduction जिसके अंदर male hyphae will give rise to spores which act like sperms by going towards the female hyphae and fertilizing it. ठीक है? So this is spermatization. ठीक है? Found in Puccinia which causes wheat rust or rust disease in wheat. ठीक है? Let's go forward to the examples. चलो, so the examples of basidiomycetes क्या क्या है? It's like a club, right? So remember the sporing body is significantly large. तो सारे जो large sporing bodies वाले फंगा है ना, ये यहाँ पे आएंगे. First is puff balls. Puff balls यानी कि they are very huge and their stalk is absolutely negligible in like it cannot be seen properly. Only the external structure which is the fruiting body can properly be seen. So example is Lycoperdon and Claviaceae. ठीक है? Claviaceae and Lycoperdon are examples of puff balls. They are huge sporing bodies. Next we have the common mushrooms that we've all seen. Example is Agaricus bisporus and Amantia muscaria. Now why is Amantia muscaria important? Because this is one of the most poisonous fungi. कौन सा? Amantia muscaria. ठीक है? Let's go forward. The next example is Eustilago. Eustilago is one that causes loose smut of wheat. ठीक है? Eustilago is the loose smut of wheat. ठीक है? And finally we have Polysporus. Sporing body, big multiple sporing bodies. So this is Polysporus. ठीक है? Okay. So let's go forward to the final fourth class of fungi, that is Deuteromycetes. ठीक है? So ये fungi का एक special नाम है, that is fungi imperfecti. Now why are these being called imperfect fungi? Because the perfect stage of fungal reproduction or that of sexual reproduction is absent in these. यानी कि sexual reproduction totally absent है. तो basically fungi imperfecti or Deuteromycetes only show asexual reproduction and that too by conidia formation, that is exogenous spore formation or conidia formation. ठीक है? Okay. So भाई mycelium कैसा है यहाँ? Mycelium is going to be septate and it's going to be branched, right? Okay. Let's go forward. Let's look at the fungi and the disease they cause. अभी अगर मुझे बताओ कि अगर fruiting body नहीं बनेगी, so is it going to be easy to detect this fungi? No, right? So this fungi is a little difficult to detect. And what are the diseases it causes? These are usually disease causing fungi. So let's see. First is Alternaria solani. Alternaria solani causes first, that is early blight of potato. ठीक है? First example है हमारा Alternaria solani which causes early blight of potatoes. ठीक है? Next is Helminthosporium oryzae. Helminthosporium oryzae. Now remember sporium. Sporium यानी कि spot जैसा, ऐसे याद रखो, ठीक है? So it's the basically leaf spot of rice which cause the Bengal famine in Bengal. ठीक है? So it causes the leaf spot of rice. Going forward we have Colletotrichum falcatum. अभी Colletotrichum falcatum, remember that it causes the red rot of sugarcane. ठीक है? Colletotrichum falcatum. ठीक है? Let's go forward to the next set of examples. That is, one second, yes. We have Trichoderma, Trichophyton and Microspore. Now I told you कि ये जो सारे tricho related words है, they all resemble something hair like structures or related to the skin or thin round structures. So basically all these, that is Trichoderma, Trichophyton, derma stands for skin यानी कि skin का fungal infection है, Trichophyton and Microsporum are responsible for common infectious presentation, that is ringworm in humans. Ringworm मतलब में एक्चुअली वर्म पैदा होता है क्या वहाँ पे? नो, इट्स बेसिकली स्किन के ऊपर एक रेडिश राउंड स्पॉट होता है, ठीक है, राउंड सर्कल ऑफ रेडिश रैश इज फॉर्म विच इज फंगल इन ओरिजिन एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ringworm. It's caused by Trichoderma, Trichophyton and Microsporum, which are all deuteromycetes. ठीक है? So with this we have ideally completed everything we need to know about kingdom fungi. ठीक है? So what are the other two kingdoms left? We have kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia, and we have individual chapters for these kingdoms. ठीक है? Kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. So they will be discussed in their respective chapters, right? ठीक है. But इन पांचों किंगडम में जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स नहीं आ पाते, like those organisms which cannot fit into the criteria for all these 5 kingdoms, where will we put them? So these are not included in any of the classes. We'll be discussing them separately in the next video on the topic biological classification. ठीक है? So take care guys, and in the next video we learn about the organisms which cannot be put into either of the 5 classes. Okay, bye.